touch that fire for you. I did 3, 4 times again, I testify for you.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a prepping for fall season, and it's October. And fall is one of my favorite seasons because it's not too hot and it's not too cold. Perfect. So I'm gonna be showing you guys and coming along with me to prep for fall. Whatever I do, let's get right to the video. This is like really good. I like that. Okay, so the next step in this fall thing is to make my phone fall themed. So I went on Pinterest and I searched up some fall widgets and made my phone fall themed and took some inspiration, and I made my wallpaper and home screen fall themed because I thought it would be cute to do because I have not done that before. So that's what I did, and I'll show you guys on the screen somewhere. But okay, so next thing was this fall cleaning because my dresser is a mess and my desk is a mess, and I want a clean space for this month so I can have a good mindset. And then we're gonna do some journaling and light some candles. So let's go.
Making sure to use a heat protectant to ensure that my hair gets the least amount of damage as possible.